Hey, hello everyone. I've got a new box diorama from the brand Moreart. Why? Because I love box dioramas. Bring your diecast to life with a beautiful diorama like this one. It's in a 1/64 scale. Let's have a look here. Here you see the brand Moreart. And here logo, love create in China. And here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it, barcode with the article number for the ones who are interested. Okay, let's open it up. And I always open it up on both sides. And then you can push it out. There you go. Comes in a nice display case. You can see this one is named, and I have to look on the package. Here it is, Urban Park and Highway Scene. So a nice road, and material is plastic. I think the bushes here in the front are looking very good, and a very nice tree. They did very well. Sidewalk, even a traffic light for the pedestrians, and a very nice background. Not sure what this is. Okay, this is I think I can, yes, it's just some dirt. I thought it was a drone in the air, but it's not. It's just some dirt. This, by the way, is made out of hard plastic. Can you take it off? Well, I think you can. And then you can use it as a background to make photos. How does it look with a 1/64 scale car? Volkswagen from Hugo. Fits perfect. BMW from Maisto, no problem at all. BMW from Maisto, and a Moreart model. What's it named? Citroën, with a nice opening part, by the way. Love this one. It's definitely one of my favorites from the 60 years anniversary set. So 2 cars in total, and you can also place a figure here on the sidewalk. How does that look? Perfect. And then you create a very nice scene. Oh, this van has suspension. Didn't know that. And it is from Matchbox. Cool. Like that. Yeah, so that's it. You can place this back on. You can put it back in the box. And then you have a very nice diorama for on the table, on your desk, next to your bed. You name it, everything is possible. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.